All right, we stay in the Western Cape, but a different story. The Legal Resources Centre in the province says it's concerned about the increasingly high numbers of unplaced pupils in schools this year. The centre says the Provincial Education Department informed them on the 14th of this month that 3,786 children had still not been placed. But the department has failed to explain why it's taken so long to get them places. Let's chat about this now with Amy-Leigh Payne. She's an attorney at the Legal Resources Centre. Amy, a very good morning to you. Just outline for us your concerns and just your interaction with the department and what you've managed to glean so far from them.
Good morning. So all that we've received from the department thus far is that on the 14th of April, they informed us that they now have 3,786 learners that are unplaced within the Western Cape. We've not received any further information from the department. We have sent out a letter requesting what plans they are putting into place going forward. This is an issue that has come up every year within the Western Cape Education Department. So we're just inquiring as to the steps that they would take to ensure that this does not occur next year and the following years.
So this more than 3,000, nearly 4,000 pupils actually, are they in any particular areas? Are they spread out over the Western Cape? What are their circumstances? Do you know?
It is spread out across the Western Cape. It's not subject to particular areas. They are, and it's various grades as well, grade 8s, grade 1s, and all in between. We have been informed that in some areas it is more grade 8s than other grades.
Mm. All right. You also cite some concerns, the department talking about underfunding, stating that possibly as a reason. You also say that the department needs to stop blaming migration from the Eastern Cape to the Western Cape. Has that been mostly the explanation for why these pupils can't be put into classrooms?
Yes, so we've seen every year that the department has blamed the migration from Eastern Cape to Western Cape as a problem. The other reason that they give is the underfunding. However, we have seen that the WCED tabled their budget in March 2021, and they've returned about 350 million rand that was underspent in the education department.
All right, so we're coming up to the end of April almost. I mean, a lot of these pupils have already missed a significant time or time in the classroom, what has already been a very challenging time for us. What do you know of them? Where are they now? What are they doing?
So what we know is that the students are not accessing any alternative measures for learning. They are at home or with their parents. There's no, online forms of education. They've actually missed, the term ends on Friday, so they've missed a full term of learning.
Mm. All right, what is your plan then? As the LRC, how are you taking this up further?
So we've written to the WCED to request further information. We are assisting clients that come to our offices. We're currently assisting one client that has approached us for her grade 8 learner that has not accessed education for this year. So then we will engage with the WCED to ensure that our clients' children are placed within schools.
All right, so what exactly are you helping them with? Because you say on your statement, you make an appeal to parents if their child has not been placed, they must complete a form. I haven't actually seen what that form is. Is this an application form? Is it for legal action? What exactly are you helping them with?
The form currently that's on our press statement is part of research, as we're wanting to determine the reasons why children are not placed. But where we get individuals coming to our offices or emailing us, we do then assist with writing letters, calling the department and trying to ascertain why their children are not placed and trying to ensure that they get placed as a matter of urgency.
And how much success have you had? Has this led to any placement of any pupils so far?
We have received, this morning I can confirm we received an email indicating that one learner may be placed today. They will communicate with the parent further. We have not received the placement letters, so we cannot confirm that they have definitely been placed.
All right, so where can parents actually get a hold of you? How can they get a hold of you so that you can help them as well?
Currently, due to the pandemic, our offices are closed. However, they can either email us at info@lrc.org.za or call us. Our social media platforms are also available for anyone to contact us.
All right, thanks very much for that. Well, if you are in the Western Cape and your child has not been placed, well, the Legal Resources Centre is there to help you. Thanks very much, Amy-Leigh Payne, just for outlining how it is they're trying to help parents out there. Well.